All the girls in the bathroom talking who they gonna take to the Sadie Hawkins. My ears are burning, I kept on walking, a smile on my face and an air guitar rocking. The Sadie Hawkins dance in my khaki pants, there's nothing better. Oh, 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 girls, that's the guys, it's always a surprise. There's nothing better, baby, do you like my sweater? Sitting in the back of the next class napping, gotta give a speech, then I bow to the clapping. Told a funny joke, got the whole class laughing. Think I got a tan from the light which I was basking. Sadie Hawkins dance in my khaki pants, there's nothing better. Oh, 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 girls, ask the guys, it's always a surprise. There's nothing better, baby, do you like my sweater? Scanned the cafeteria for some good seating. I found a good spot by the cheerleaders eating. The quarterback asked me if I would like a beating. I said that's one thing I won't be needing. And since I'm rather smart and cunning, I took off down the next hall running. Only to get stopped by a girl so stunning. Only to get stopped by a girl so stunning. She said you're smooth and good with talking. You go with me to the Sadie Hawkins.